know, he gets sick of it too, Paula.
This is Nick.
You say, smile, 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 smile.
I'm not even making him smile.
Taking a video without him now.
Just doing a video. What we're doing at 10 o'clock at night. Where's the camera? At 10:25. Patricia's side nice and orderly. My side disgusting. Healy's crap. Dirty clothes. Me and Nick. Oh, puke in the bathtub. Let's go to Nick's closet. Nick has taken over this side. This is his area. My mother got one little teeny corner with a suitcase. We make a mess. This is Nick's closet of crap. Not that you can see. Quarters, his glove, his bathroom. He threw up in the tub. It's King Farouk.
But other than that, it's a nice night.
We had an awful supper. We went to Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen was good. I've got gas.
Dairy Queen was excellent.
That's it. Doo-doo-doo.
Did you like Dairy Queen, Paula?
Yeah, I'll be regretting it.
What?
I'll be regretting it.
Oh, I know, because you ate the ice cream.
Gas. Can't even blame Henry.
What about Henry?
I can't blame Henry.
Oh.
When we're at home, I blame Henry.